A tranquil morning. Not much to speak about other than the seasonable cold conditions that are out there. This is Congress Square, where there's construction ongoing. Looking at the temps, we're in the 20s and 30s. Where it's clear, it's colder. That's Bangor, Holton, Caribou. Where it's cloudy, it's not as cold. We find mid-30s to the south and west. You can see that band of clouds right there. But low pressures over in the Maritimes continues to chug away. And a big high is building in with some nicer weather for today and tomorrow, which means a lot more sunshine. And then our next system dives in from Canada late Saturday night and on Sunday with our next storm chance. So we'll have areas of clouds out there and some sun once it rises. There are some mountain flurries, but it's nothing substantial. And yes, seasonably cold, so dress warmly. We'll have a mix of sun and clouds midday. There'll be more of a breeze out there, so feels like temperatures most of the time will be between 35 and 40. And then here's your early evening. Again, quiet, dry conditions, and it is going to be a cold night because a lot of these clouds will disappear after the sun goes down. So we'll be in the 20s overnight tonight, and by morning in the 20s too. Today's highs will be in the mid-40s for far southern Maine, about 45. Low to mid-40s for central Maine, Lewiston, Augusta, Wiscasset, and then eastern Maine's in the lower 40s. You've got 42 for Bangor and for Bar Harbor. Tomorrow looks real good with lots of sun out there. Nice start to the weekend. And then there's that next storm system diving in from Canada. It will strengthen as it goes overhead and then into the Canadian Maritimes. But we're going to have a steady period of rain and snow beginning late Saturday night and lasting through about midday on Sunday. Eastern and northern Maine, you'll probably hang on to snow showers and some rain showers along the coast longer into the night Sunday, and maybe even some flakes or flurries around early Monday morning too. This is 3 a.m. on Sunday morning and the precip is arriving. It may start off as a few wet flakes, but you won't even know it because you'll be sleeping, and by the time you awaken, it'll be rain for the coastline. But there will be wet snow falling for Lewiston, Augusta, and beginning that way in Bangor too. By daybreak, it's rain along the coast and a wet snow, chilly rain mixture for Lewiston, Augusta, and Bangor, all snow up in the higher terrain. And at that point, you can see the back edge is working through southern Maine. So it's long gone by 9 o'clock in the morning from Lewiston south. Rain, though, at that point for Bangor, still snowing central highlands and up north. And then this is kind of the rest of the day. Start to get some sunny breaks in southern Maine. Rain and snow showers hang around for Bangor, and snow showers continue up north. So here's the snow map. There isn't going to be any accumulation for the coastline, barely any all the way up through Lewiston, Augusta, and Bangor. It's the central highlands and the hills that get 1 to 3, and then the higher terrain and the far north will see 3 to 6. That's how we see it right now. Small craft sees 2 to 3 feet, northwest wind 10 to 20 knots. Partly sunny, 40 to 45. Mostly sunny tomorrow, same temperatures. And then we have kind of an unsettled morning, and it will be slippery over the interior, so keep that in mind as you're headed off to church or wherever you're going. There'll be some morning rain and snow. Along the coastline, it's going to be all rain. And we actually get up to 48 degrees in the afternoon with sunny breaks. And then on Monday, it's blustery. There may be some flurries. Tuesday's sunny and brisk. Wednesday's mostly sunny. Thursday's partly sunny. So, the rest of next week looks storm-free. It doesn't look that warm, especially the first half of the week, I'll tell you that. Second half of the week, there's a chance that we could get closer to 50 by Thursday or Friday, which sounds really nice right now, right? 50 degrees.